Hello and welcome everyone to one more awesome video in which you're going to talk about mics. I'm just kidding. We are going to talk about voice search, the mysterious voice search, right? By Google and by other big industries, right? But what is voice search and how are you going to optimize? And everyone is saying, you should optimize your website for voice search. Voice search is the next big thing. Everyone is just bragging about it, but do you know how you can do the optimization? Do you know how this thing is done? Do anyone have you seen any blog or any kind of video in which they exactly show you follow the steps and your website is ready to go for voice search? No, I haven't seen that. I've been searching for that before making this video. I was searching a lot before saying I did kind of a voice search optimization for a website in past, like not that much past, like 1-2 months back, and that website is hitting good. So based on that, based on my research, based on I have read many blogs before making this video. I have seen videos for making this video, and I kind of sorted out how things work. I'm not a master of something, but I've did my research. I am very guaranteeing you these steps that if you can implement in a website, your website will be optimized for voice search. What is that? If you just search on Google, like voice search, you get a lot of thing. What is voice search? Voice search exactly works, right? If you just type this, how voice search exactly work, you get this so very confusing piece of paragraph which gives you no clue apart from confusion, right? Today Google voice search app listen when a person speaks and figure out blah 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 blah. There are a lot of things you don't exactly get what exactly you need. And if you scroll down, if you see other blogs also, they also kind of confuse you, but no one guarantees you, no one gives you, because I know it's difficult, but at least we can expect some sort of answer from these marketers, right? But why you are not getting that? Because they are still confused. But few points are there I have noticed in many blogs, many videos, that they say this thing and are kind of justified, and possibly I've just checklisted those points, and I have made a small list which is efficient for your website to be optimized till present date for voice search. We don't know what's coming next, what Google is planning for, how Google is going to kill digital marketers, that we don't know. But what you can do right now, we can optimize till this point, this idea, this moment, right? So I have a list by which you can do optimize your voice search for the website for the voice search, right? So I have made a few points. I have not then gone so much, right? Have a good ranking. Okay, what is having a good ranking? If you are in the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 3rd, 4th page, your website is not going to pop up in voice search or any way, that. For voice search, you should have, according to my researches, according to blogs, according to many things I've read, you should have at least in top 10 list. You should have. Without having a good rank, how can I expect you would be anywhere, right? You should be in top 10 rank. The first key is to have a good ranking. Good ranking is must. And how to do good ranking? There are tons of factors out there, so that for that I don't need to brag right now. Second, feature snippet. What is feature snippet? What are snippet? The thing that I just shown you right away, this is kind of a feature snippet that Google is saying this is the best result for that query, right? This is a feature snippet. If I pop up a question with the same keyword that I used, there's a possibility chances that this thing will come up in the voice search. How this things is happening, how Google is assuming this is the best thing. This is what this is what the algorithms have figured it out, based on the content, based on the keyword used, based on how the paragraph has been structured. So there are a lot of things for the risk snippet, for the feature snippet, that I don't want to brag about right now because it will be a big topic. I'm talking about voice search. So if you don't know exactly which feature snippet is, I'll make a video for that in in upcoming days. But for now, just hold on with me and see. Feature snippet is very much required, and how I have shown you, this is a kind of example of feature snippet, right? So next thing is Q&A. Oh my god, this is the best thing. See, Can you see something? This is a question, right? This is a question for which I have got an answer. This is a question, right? So this is, you can see, I am just giving you a live example how this thing is working. So have a question in your paragraphs, have a question in your, have a lot of question, divided into paragraphs, divided into the whole blog. By what question exactly will help you? It will help determine the Google, the crawlers, that this specific topic, this specific paragraph is based on this questions, right? This specific answer is based on this question. This is how Google is going to figure it out, that your specific, this paragraph is specific toward this question. Same, the Google has figured it out how this thing have done. Google is very smart. We don't have to point fingers on Google, so we just have to follow the Google. So this is how Google have figured it out. Question and answers are the results for feature snippet. So this, you can see a similarity in between both two, right? This is similar. I will tell you in upcoming videos how this is similar. So have Google ranking so that you can pop up as a snippet, or you pop up with the first ranking. Have a Q&A, so to tell the Google that I am present and I have this answer for your query, bro. So this is how things are done in the top 3 list, and these 3 are very important. You haven't seen these 3 anywhere, I feel. Not anywhere, maybe 1-2 blogs, but this is exclusively for you guys who are watching this video. I am telling in front of everyone that this is exclusive. You haven't seen this kind of stuff, right? So next point is be specific to topic. What is mean being specific topic? See, again, this total paragraph is not that much specific, but I'm just giving an overview example. This specific paragraph is telling, a bit technical, big other work about voice search. So if you want to do good well in voice search, your thing should be very much specific towards it. Your thing should be specific towards the topic you are writing. If you, for example, you're writing about SEO, first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph should be, totally submerged with SEO only, not any other thing. If you try to, include every stuff of thing, then it's same as other boring paragraphs, right? So be very, 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 very specific. Do a tons of keyword research for searching for the right exact keyword. If you haven't seen my awesome and unique process to do keyword research, please check out the total. I have made a tutorial. I will put in the link in the description, and you can see that at the top also of a video as well. So see that video and learn how to be very unique while searching for keyword and get awesome keywords. So be specific towards the topic. What you're writing about, be totally brutally specific about the topic only, because that helps Google crawler to understand this topic, this paragraph is specifically about the topic, the content, right? So do you see any similarity in 3? There is some similarity, and this is how voice search work. Voice search work on basic and combining many of the features and putting all the things at a single stack or some kind of a box and give you everything that you need, right? Focus on first paragraph. It's very important. First, second, third paragraph are most important paragraph for Google to understand what your blog is all about, what your thing is all about. So if you're writing any blog, anything, use this be specific thing, right? Be specific topic on the first paragraph, on the second paragraph, on the third paragraph, to be very much assured. Don't keyword stuff every paragraph. Be natural. Write what is need. Write what user want to read. Write what you want to put information in the first, second, third paragraph. This is very important. I'm telling again and again. No one have told you like this about the first paragraph and being specific topic, but I'm sharing this small secret with you guys because I want to grow. As simple as that, right? So yeah, first paragraph is very important. Put specific keywords, write very natural, write very, very much informative information. That is the key for voice search. Sixth, mobile optimize. This is very natural point, I guess, because maximum voice search are done by Alexa and phones only. So have a very good optimized mobile website, have a AMP, have a fast opening website, have a website that loads like a snap of a finger and loads of your phone, and it can tell you exactly what it needs. Your website should be also HTTPS secured, right? Google is nowadays focusing on the secure website more than not secure website, so you must have to have a secure website for popping up anywhere, for popping up in top 10 pages as well. So have that. Make a optimized mobile website. And this is one more thing that I want to include, but it's okay. So okay, let's have a discussion. Yeah, good domain age. Why domain age? Why the first? Why domain age is important? It's optional, but why it is important? I just want to give a small, small detail, a small single line so that you understand and you'll agree with me as well. For example, I am new into market. I am selling some stuff, right? And how people will came to know, am I a genuine seller or am I a fake seller, right? And same way, there's another person who is selling from years and years of thing, and he's selling something, it's a fake or it's genuine, doesn't matter, but people will trust on that person more than me because I am new to the market. That's why you see, in many shops you will see since 1947, since 1986, because they want to connect to customers with their age, right? That is why domain age is kind of an important thing, but is optional because Google see that, but that not to that big extent. So I have given you one more small tick trip sorry tick into it, that is domain age is important, and why I also have proven you right away why, right? So I hope this video makes a lot of sense, and I promise you this is one of the one of the best videos you will love, because I have seen people asking for voice search in every single YouTuber comments, because I haven't seen anyone replying. So I thought to make a video on it and reply you guys how to do voice search and what things are required. And I guarantee you, if you do these things and if you're ranking good, your voice search will come pop up into your phone only. Ask, okay Google, what is this? And you get the answer from your own website. So hope you like this video. I hope this video makes sense to you. If you have any question, any query, please put in the comment box. And if you like it, please put a like, because I need a lot of likes. And please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to come up with awesome videos, awesome topics that you haven't seen before. Trust me, I promise that. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.